Smart homes rely on IoT to function efficiently. Smart cities use AI to reduce traffic congestion. Energy efficiency is not important in smart living. Smart devices can be controlled remotely. A traditional thermostat is more efficient than a smart thermostat. Voice assistants are not part of smart homes. Smart grids help manage electricity in a more efficient way. Smart living only focuses on improving individual homes, not cities. Wearable devices like fitness trackers are part of. The future of smart living is expected to increase energy consumption.